Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring the launcher is responsive. Restart the phone if things feel frozen. Once it reboots, long press an empty area on your home screen and choose Home Settings or Launcher Settings. This direct path avoids diving into generic settings menus. You're doing this because many launchers include a single toggle that locks layout to prevent accidental moves. Once you see the layout controls, focus on the option labeled Lock Home Screen Layout or similar. This is the control you'll change next. Now you'll turn the lock off. Locate the Lock Home Screen Layout toggle and switch it to off. You do this because the toggle prevents moving icons and widgets. If a confirmation dialog appears, confirm to apply the change. If no toggle exists in Home Settings, open the launcher's app info from Settings, clear cache or defaults, and reopen the launcher. That forces the launcher to reevaluate settings and often restores the missing control. Once the toggle is off, try moving an icon to verify freedom. Finish by verifying. Press and hold an icon or widget and attempt to move or remove it. You should now be able to reposition items. If the layout remains locked, consider switching to a different launcher like a trusted third-party option and set it as default. This often bypasses stubborn built-in restrictions. Make sure to back up your home layout or take a screenshot beforehand so you can restore positions. If anything goes wrong, reinstalling or updating the launcher usually resolves persistent lock behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.